Alright guys, I want to show you something out here. It's pretty windy. This is going to be another weather video. It's supposed to be a pretty windy day, so let's see how windy it is. Actually, it's almost getting dark anyway. It's like 6 o'clock, so it's going to get dark pretty soon. Obviously the sun's not out. It was pretty windy. I was actually out here a few minutes ago and it was pretty windy. You can see the big trees, see? It's been a while since I've done an outdoor video because, past month stay-at-home thing. So why not come out here? And no, I am not wearing the face mask because I don't really need to. I'm not going anywhere. If you look over there, let's see how well the camera can zoom in. Pretty good. There's the American flag flying in the wind. And there's another flag underneath it. I don't know what that is. Oh, it's pretty windy over there. So you can see the trees moving from the wind. Oh, here comes the wind. Oh, look at that over there. Okay, the wind is coming back. But yeah, it's supposed to be a pretty windy day, but no rain. Actually, I think it was supposed to rain, but the rain is like up north. Let's see if you can guys see the clouds. Oh, yep, you can see the clouds. You can see how fast they're going, see? I'm not moving the camera. The clouds are moving. And they're all going that way. So what have you guys been doing ever since y'all just stay home? Y'all go outside in your backyard or front yard once in a while? It's good to do that. Oh, look at that. Whoa! Oh, I didn't even notice that was going to happen. That water plant just moved by itself from the wind. You saw that? I hope you guys saw that. I didn't even notice. I thought there was water in there. It was like right here, and then it just moved. That was kind of cool. I want to see if it can do that again. I think it was like right here. Alright, let's get a closer view over the fence. There's a lot of trees over there. You can get a better look at the flag. Should I upload this on 4th of July? I don't know. What if I did? There's quite a bit of cars. I'm not sure where they're going because, well, actually, they might be going to the store. But the stores, they close early, especially on Sundays. I think they might be closing in about an hour before it gets dark. Look at the pool. It's pretty dirty. You can see the leaves are under the water. Even the deep end. So I guess I would call this a weather video, even though there's no rain. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna try and upload more often. And look, see, look, the wind has kind of calmed down a bit. But now it might pick it up again. Alright, I think that's about it. Actually, you know what? Before we go back inside, I want to show you something in the front yard. we might as well take a look at the front yard. But we're not going to go inside through the house. We're going to walk through out here. Whenever it's windy, the gate will shut pretty hard. So maybe I'll just leave it open for now. I don't know if I showed you this before, but look at all the fire log we got. And it used to be stacked up almost at the top, so we use almost half of them. So I think we're done using the logs because it's springtime. Alright, let's walk. We can walk through the sidewalk. Because there's someone peeking out the window. And I want to show you that. There's an ant pile right there. Look how big this is. Look at the difference, the size difference. You see that? There's someone peeking out this window. I wonder who that is. This guy looks very familiar. Or a bear. That's right. That is Mega Big Bear. Mega Big Bear is looking out the window. You can see me in the reflection. And yes, we cleaned the window from the inside, not the outside. Hello, Big Bear. You happy? I guess you're staying at home. Like, I mean, that's what you've been doing, right? Just staying at home? He's a big bear. Big grizzly bear, I guess. And yes, you may see him from the biggest fights. Biggest fight ever. I think he's the biggest competitor. I wonder if we're going to have another fight soon. Possibly. We'll see. Alright, I guess we're going to go back to the other side. Say bye, Big Bear. Hello? Big Bear? That smile. I think Big Bear is really bored, and I can see why. Alright, I might do some live streams, just like talking with you guys, like a chit chat. You know, some YouTubers do that. But I'll do it maybe once in a while. I wonder if the gate shut. Did the gate shut? I don't think it did. Nope. I hear an ambulance. Let's see if we can see ambulance or fire truck or police officer. Oh, it's an ambulance. Alright. Alright. There's the clock, and it's actually not 5:15. It's actually 6:15. We just keep forgetting to change it ever since daylight savings begins. It's 80 degrees. Alright, I guess that about does it here. There's some kid out there walking his dog. I think he saw me with the camera. I think he waved at me. What if I did a video of me wearing a mask? That would be strange. There goes that kid. Oh, he's holding his dog. Okay, cool. So, I see our neighbors. I'm not going to record them. Alright, that's it. And might as well upload more often, right? Because this is like my chance. Hope you guys are doing well at the house. Alright, that's it.